I don't know if you can...
So I'm showing the watering system to Luann. As you can see right now, this dial is set to auto, and that's the usual position for it to run normally according to the settings that I've got here. So we have my zones, which are set down in here, and if you could see this, it would say number 1 and it says 18. That's 18 minutes that it's set to run. If I push this up, it goes to 19, 20, back to 18, down. So you just push it for each minute that you would set it. So you can cycle between these different zones. There's number 2, and you can change the number of minutes for number 2 and 3 through 6. And that's back to auto. Let's see. You can set the time. You can reset the time if it loses its time. It's right here, and that's what does it say? Day, hour, and minute. So you can change those. Again, you're using these little up and down buttons to go through the minutes and hours and days. And that's just so that you know that it's what time it's starting and what days it's running. So let's see here, what's next? Watering time. So I don't really mess with watering times very much. Another thing that's important is when you use this advanced button, whether you're in auto or not, you can cycle through all of the different zones one at a time. So right now it's on number 1, and I could go and check that zone for number 1. And again, you can't really see that LCD, but that's on number 1. So if I go and punch it again, it goes to number 2, and it's a good way to get to know the zones, is just to cycle through this. 3 is, yeah, you'll see that's number 3.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll cycle very quickly through 4 because it's right under our feet. That's 4. So we're at 5, and 5 is in front, probably watering Joni in this minute, and 6, and then you're out. So that cycles all the way through everything.